right, Cam. What's your favorite thing about camping?
Having the outdoors and walking rubble.
Walking your puppy?
Oh.
Yeah? Okay, we're gonna flip it around. Let's ask the other two what their favorite thing is about camping.
Probably to play at the parks and going on the walks.
Playing at the parks and going on walks. All right. What's up? Watching the kids play on the playground. All right, honey. Now, what is your favorite part of camping?
The outdoors and freedom and watching the kids play.
Tappan Lake Campground, and it is our first morning at the campgrounds. We're just cooking some breakfast, but we are excited to take you along on this camping trip and show you Tappan Lake Campground in Deersville, Ohio. It's like 5:32, with the woods behind us. Nice spacious spot. The only thing we noticed last night was, since there's a creek running behind us, that there's a lot of bugs. There's your puppy man. So back here there's a little like natural spring creek. Kids thought it was fun. What are you doing?
You ready?
Playing with the word. Don't get me wet. Ah. Camp store. They got like a little restaurant. You can get ice cream. There's the missing tooth. Nice.
I'm gonna keep it for the tooth fairy.
Nice. Okay, so it's our last morning here at the campground. It's a beautiful morning. It's cool with a nice breeze. The boys are down by the lake fishing. I'm out here enjoying my coffee, reading my book, and Kenley's still in bed. So we'll get breakfast started in a little while. But I gotta show you this cute view of the puppy.
One of our favorite things is out here at Tappan is to go on cool walks and to watch my lovely wife pick up the dog doo-doo.
But as good as it's getting. Yep, stay in the cabins. You can dock your boat over here. Little playground up here. Here is cabins you can rent. Looks right out at the lake.
There's the red box.
Hi.
Hello, have you had fun this camping trip?
Yeah.
What's been your favorite part so far?
Probably going on the walks and
What about losing your tooth?
yeah.
She's a tooth loser. Boy's walking the dog. Picture the lake. Part of this camping trip.
Walking the dog.
What's up? What's been your favorite part of the camping trip?
Everything about it.
Just relaxing, huh? I think my favorite part of the camping trip was spending time with my family and having beautiful weather this weekend for camping.